Types of fractions. Have you ever shared a pizza with your friends and wondered who got more? That's where fractions come in. Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about types of fractions, and by the end of this video, you'll easily understand proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. Look at this square. It is divided into 4 equal parts. If we take one part, we write it as 1 by 4, 1/4. Here, 1 is called the numerator, top number, and 4 is called the denominator, bottom number. So, a fraction shows how many parts we take from a whole. Let's start with proper fractions. A fraction is called a proper fraction when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here, numerator is less than denominator. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. In all these fractions, the top number is smaller than the bottom number. So, the value is always less than 1. Let's understand this better. Imagine you ate 3 pieces out of 9 pieces. You didn't eat the whole cake, right? That's a proper fraction. So, the fraction of pieces you ate is 3 by 9 is a proper fraction. Here, you didn't finish the whole cake. Still cake left, not full. So, the value is less than 1. Here, 3 by 9 is less than 1. That means, you have taken less than the whole. Did you know fractions can show more than one whole? Means, you can eat more than one pizza using fractions. Let's see how. Now let's look at improper fractions. A fraction is called an improper fraction when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Here, numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, 7 by 4, 8 by 6, 5 by 5. Here, the top number is bigger than or equal to the bottom number. So, the value is greater than or equal to 1. Let's understand this better. If each pizza has 4 slices, and you eat 5 slices total, that's 5 by 4, an improper fraction. Now comes an interesting type, mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Let's look at a few examples. Here, there are 2 full plates of 5 cookies each and 1 extra cookie. So, the fraction is 2 integer 1 by 5. Here, there is 1 whole and 2 extra blocks, so the fraction is 1 integer 2 by 9. Here, there are 3 whole circles and 3 by 4 of a fourth circle, so the fraction is 3 integer 3 by 4. It means you have some whole items and some extra parts. If you ate 1 full pizza and half more, we write it as 1 integer 1 by 2. Important concept. Proper fractions are always less than 1. Improper fractions are always greater than or equal to 1. Mixed fractions show how many wholes plus extra part. Easy trick to remember. Top small, it's proper fraction. Top big, it's improper fraction. Whole plus part, it's mixed fraction. Today, you learned about the types of fractions. Now, can you think of where we use fractions in real life? Now it's your turn. Here's a pizza cut into 6 slices. If 2 slices are shaded, what type of fraction is this? Tell me your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy math lessons. See you soon.